Hi, my name is Andy Driggs, and today I'd like to talk to you about obtaining the E-2 visa either by consular processing or through a change of status with USCIS. Some investors have the choice of getting their E-2 classification either here in the United States through a change of status or at the consulate through consular processing. But many treaty investors are from visa waiver countries. Those are countries that do not require a visa to enter the United States. If you are from a visa waiver country and you want to change status in the United States, you must first obtain a B1, B2 visitor visa at the consulate in your home country. Second, the consulate is the only place where visas are issued. That includes E-2 visas or any other type of non-immigrant visas. That means if you change status in the United States, you still have to return to your home country to the consulate to obtain the E-2 visa if you want to travel. Given all that, here are some pros and cons to either process. USCIS may be a little easier on lower investment applications. There is no interview at USCIS, and so if you think that the interview is something that you don't want to do, then USCIS is your best option. USCIS does not have page limits, so it might be easier to prove up the investment if you're changing status. The consulates give visas, and they are pretty territorial about that. And if you plan on traveling at all, you must go back to the consulate to get a visa stamp in your passport. And since each consulate has very different requirements, it could be quite a bit of work for your attorney to get together the package for the consulate. I have not had the situation where an E-2 visa holder changes status in the United States and then goes back to the consulate and the application is denied. But it is theoretically possible. I've also had situations where the person changes status to E-2 and the family stays here and never leaves. I had a situation like this, and the family later received lawful permanent residency through an employer petition for the E-2 visa holder's spouse. Either way, the E-2 visa is an excellent option for you and your family. If you want to invest in the United States and you think that the E-2 visa is right for you, give me a call. Let's talk about it. Let's review your plans and get you here on an E-2 visa.